Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live. We're going to look at the brand new 2023 Riverstone Legacy 45 Bath fifth wheel. Hey guys, everything you need to know is in the description below. Remember, like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. Thanks so much for watching and viewing these videos. We know that your time is important. And remember, if you subscribe, you get entered automatically into our periodic giveaways. So please hit that subscribe button. We're going to give away local trinkets that we picked up along our travel experiences, and we'll pass them on to you.
Is that what you want? Yes. Which one is it?
Here we go, Riverstone Legacy 45 Bath.
I know, I knew as soon as I took my jacket off, it was doing
That's a pretty cool little setup there.
Look at the doors, how they open all the way.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool. You wouldn't feel like you were in the doghouse.
I'll have to back up and take a shot of that. Rear patio,
Yes.
rear door.
We have the 42 FSKG.
Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video.
Just started, but we have that one and we love it.
This could be like a proper living room here.
That's what I could say. It could be. You know, I said you could put a table here and it could be like a dining room.
Yeah.
I love how those doors open all the way. That was the, we had a range design. Is that just a screen or is that a regular door in the back?
It's both. It's just, oh, it's, no, there's no glass.
No glass.
There's no glass.
So we had the $3.99.
Oh, wait, is
This is
oh,
your glass.
It doesn't
Yeah.
slide up at all again?
No, there's no glass in there at all.
Switch the doors.
Yeah, they probably could. They probably could switch them. No,
Put these
easy.
over
Yeah.
there, damn straight. Just why would you?
We
Why
had
wouldn't
the
you want that?
brand design $3.99 before this, and the garage just always felt like. Yeah, when you had one tiny door to go into the garage, and that was it. It felt like it was a separate space. So this is really nice.
It's all hardwood.
Yeah, that's like our landmark. Everything's hard, which is nice.
I like to pull out doors. Now see, these have the heating and massage.
Yeah, those are just different.
There's all your switches and everything.
There's all your firefly controls and stuff. Trim my AquaGo. East-west bed.
Look at this closet. That's crazy. So you don't look at this, but I look at that and go, oh, there's actually space for dresses to hang.
Mm-hmm.
But look, shoe storage and everything. That's pretty cool. Up here. And then washer and dryers behind there. Man, I like this.
Not bad. 1, 2 slides in the master. So you got a lot of room to walk around in here.
bathroom's got lots of storage. Oh wow, I didn't see that. That's pretty cool.
Soft closed doors.
I think it must be the next one. Got it, Jody?
Oh wow, that's a huge pantry, isn't it?
Well, that's a pantry
What do
too.
you think of this thing?
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.